At the restaurant. It was Saturday evening. The streets of the city were full of lights and sounds. Cars moved slowly, people walked in groups, and music came from cafes and shops. Emma and her friend Tom were walking together. They were both hungry after a long day at the museum. "Emma, I'm so hungry. Let's find a nice place to eat." Tom: "Yes, me too. Do you want pizza, burgers, or something different?" Emma: I feel like trying something new. Maybe Italian food? Tom: "Perfect. I know a small Italian restaurant nearby. My cousin went there last week and said it was very good." Emma: "Great, let's go." They turned the corner and saw a cozy restaurant with a sign, "Bella Italia, fresh pasta and pizza." Warm light came from inside, and the smell of garlic and bread made their mouths water. Entering the restaurant. They opened the door and walked in. The restaurant was busy but not too crowded. There were small wooden tables, candles, and pictures of Italy on the walls. A waiter in a white shirt came quickly with a smile. "Waiter, good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation?" Tom: "Good evening. No, we don't." Waiter: "No problem. Follow me, please." He showed them to a table near the window. The table had a white cloth, a candle, and 2 menus. Waiter: "Here are the menus. Would you like something to drink while you decide?" Emma: "Yes, please. I would like a glass of water." Tom: "And I'll have a cola, please." Waiter: "Of course. I'll bring your drinks in a moment." Looking at the menu. Emma and Tom opened their menus. There were many dishes: spaghetti, lasagna, pizza, risotto, and salads. The menu also showed desserts, tiramisu, panna cotta, and ice cream. Emma: "Oh, everything looks so delicious. It's difficult to choose." Tom: "Yes, I agree. I think I want pizza. Look, they have a margherita, a pepperoni, and a quattro formaggi." Emma: "What's quattro formaggi?" Tom: "It means 4 cheeses. My cousin said it's amazing." Emma: "Sounds good. But I think I want pasta. Maybe spaghetti with tomato sauce." The waiter returned with their drinks. Waiter: "Here you go. 1 glass of water and 1 cola. Are you ready to order?" Emma: "Yes. I would like spaghetti with tomato sauce, please." Waiter: "Of course. Would you like some cheese on top?" Emma: "Yes, please." Waiter: "And for you, sir?" Tom: "I'll have a quattro formaggi pizza, please." Waiter: "Excellent choice. Anything else? Maybe a starter? Garlic bread?" Tom: "Yes, garlic bread to share." Waiter: "Perfect. Your order will be ready soon." Waiting for the food. While waiting, Emma and Tom looked around. At the next table, a family was laughing and eating pizza. At another table, a couple was sharing a bottle of wine. The restaurant was full of happy voices and the smell of baked cheese. Emma: "I like this place. It feels warm and friendly." Tom: "Yes, and the waiter is very nice. I hope the food is good." After a few minutes, the waiter brought garlic bread. Waiter: "Here is your starter. Enjoy." Emma: "Thank you." They tasted the bread. It was warm, soft inside, and crispy outside, with a strong garlic smell. Tom: This is delicious." Emma: "Yes, I love it." Main course. Soon, the waiter came back with their main dishes. Waiter: "Spaghetti with tomato sauce for the lady, and quattro formaggi pizza for the gentleman." Emma and Tom: "Thank you." Emma twirled the spaghetti with her fork. The sauce was fresh, with tomatoes, basil, and olive oil. She smiled. Emma: "This is wonderful. So simple, but so good." Tom: "Try my pizza. It's amazing." He gave her a small piece. The pizza was hot, with 4 different cheeses melting together. Emma, wow, that's really tasty. Tom, yes, it's rich but delicious. They ate slowly, enjoying each bite. Sometimes they talked, sometimes they were silent, just enjoying the food. Dessert. After finishing their main courses, the waiter returned. Waiter, did you enjoy your meal? Emma, yes, it was fantastic. Thank you. Waiter, would you like dessert? We have tiramisu, panna cotta, and ice cream. Tom, I'm a little full, but tiramisu sounds too good to miss. Emma, me too. Let's share one piece. Waiter, excellent choice. I'll bring it in a moment. When the tiramisu arrived, it looked beautiful with cocoa on top. They shared it with 2 spoons. Emma, oh, this is so creamy and sweet. Tom, yes, the perfect ending. Asking for the bill. After dessert, they felt satisfied. The waiter came again. Waiter, anything else? Coffee? Tea? Tom, no, thank you. Just the bill, please. Waiter, of course. He returned with the bill on a small plate. Tom, let's see. The garlic bread is 4 pounds, the spaghetti is 10, the pizza is 12, the tiramisu is 6, and the drinks are 3 and 2. Altogether, 37 pounds. Emma, we can share. I'll pay half. Tom, okay, that's fair. They paid and thanked the waiter. Waiter, thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Emma and Tom, thank you. Goodbye. Leaving the restaurant, they walked outside into the cool evening air. The city lights were bright, and music played in the distance. Emma, that was a great dinner. I'm so happy we came here. Tom, me too. Next time we should try the lasagna. Emma, laughing yes, or maybe more tiramisu. They laughed together and walked down the street, full and happy.